Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifyok and I'm the owner and founder of MAD Collection. On this channel, we'll do everything related to small business because I've got a small business, motherhood because I've got 3 kids, and lifestyle content. So if this is the kind of content you'd be interested in, you know what to do. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming video, you get notified. So let's get right into the video. So make sure you watch until the end of this video because I'm going to be listing all 10 things, and number 10 is my favorite. And the other thing I'm going to be doing at the end of this video is also telling you the ways you can actually sell this product as well. So not just making things to sell, but how you can sell it to cash out on a daily and on a weekly basis, and how you can go about it in detail. So make sure you watch up until the end of the video. So video today, I am going to be mentioning 10 products or 10 things you can make to sell online and make either extra source of income or make it your full-time job, whichever you want to do. Now, these things are things that people have made in the past or currently making, and they are making serious bucks. This is like sometimes people's full-time job. This is people's source of living. So make sure you grab a pen and a notepad, take notes, and make sure you put these things, like implement it. First things first is making a hair bonnet. If you don't know what that means, I'm either going to put a picture of the item on this side of the screen, or I am going to show you a physical product. So with a hair bonnet, I currently have this on my website in so many colors, in so many patterns, and I use this like every day, and it's just to put on your head when you want to sleep, or if you're just having a wander around the house and you don't want your hair obstructing you. So I have got this reversible hair bonnet, which should currently be on my website, madcollection.com. I will leave that on the screen right here. So this is what a hair bonnet looks like, and depending on the size, this range, the price ranges anything from £10, 15, £20, whatever it costs you to like source the fabric or source the hair bonnet itself. That's totally up to you. You can price it however you want to price it. So yeah, the hair bonnet is number 1, top of my list. Second thing you can make to sell online is scrunchie. I know a few scrunchie businesses. They probably might be adding other things to their scrunchie business, but like the majority of what they do is scrunchies, and they literally sell out every time they put an item out. So scrunchie is something you can also look at, and I've got some scrunchies on my website as well. Do well to check it out. The next is pillowcases. People are quite particular about the kind of pillowcases they use, and satin or silk pillowcases are so in right now, especially people trying to lock in the moisture on their hair or trying to create better hair growth and all of that. People tend to use satin or silk pillowcases. You can also make like decorative pillowcases. So if someone moving from spring to winter, people tend to change the pillowcases they have in their houses, or if it's like Christmas time, or if it's like Easter or something, there's all them decorative pillowcases that people tend to switch in their houses, in their living rooms, in their bedrooms. So that's something you can also look into making. Now the fourth thing is making tote bags. Tote bags have been in for ages and ages now, and people are literally cashing out making tote bags. And there's so many sizes, so many styles, so many designs of tote bag you can make. And I do not currently have tote bag on my website, but I would definitely be having some before summer. There's going to be a few tote bags I'm going to be putting on my website, so do also check it out. Again, it's madcollection.com. Things I'm listing, I have a video on how to make it, and I'm going to be leaving a link or leaving a video somewhere on the screen on how to make this item, because I've made them in the past. So yeah, I've literally gotten you covered in most of these areas. So do well to watch the video that I'm going to be linking after watching this one. I'm also going to be linking them in the description box. Fifth thing you can make to sell online is mitten, the thing you use to hold the pots in the kitchen. So those ones for baking, the either the long one or the individual hand ones, those do really, really well. And you can make them in so many different patterns, different colors, different sizes, and you can make serious cash just sewing and making those to sell. Obviously, you can add other like kitchen equipment or kitchen things that people can buy as a set or buy as a gift to give to someone. So if it's like someone that bakes, a baker for example, you can make like mittens, the long one, the hand one. You can make an apron. No, that's my number 6 point, making an apron. And then you can actually do something and then put that in a set to give it to them as a gift. So, what's the word? You can pair them as a gift to give to people. So, number 8, still in with kitchen equipment. So, I've mentioned mittens, I've mentioned apron. You can also make placemats. So, either the big placemats and then a small cup holder. A lot of people like to like design their dining table to add decorations, glitz and glam to the dining table. It does sell quite quickly as well, so that's something you might want to look into. Next thing is making a table runner. So like I've said, we've done a placemat, a table runner to match the vibe of the table. So that's a nice gift that you can make, or nice product or nice thing you can make and sell online. A lot of these things can be made together. So the placemat and the table runner can go hand in hand. The mitten and the apron can go hand in hand. The hair bonnet and the scrunchie can go hand in hand. So I've just nicely pieced this products and things together just so you can increase your average order value or increase the amount of products that people are able to buy off you. And then the last thing is making a headband. Now there's so many types of headbands to make. So you can make the one where it's like a proper band and you put over your head, or you can make the fabric type headband, or you can make it like a head wrap. So head wrap, headband going hand in hand. And people can just tie it however they want to tie it. And there's so many styles with elastic, without elastic, with something that can bend inside. But like the list is endless when it comes to making headband. I have also made a video on my channel on how to make a headband. So I'll probably just link it somewhere. I'll try to link all the things I have on the DIY for, and that's already on my channel. I'm going to link them in the description box down below. So do well to check them out. So that's the 10 things that you can do to either create an additional source of income, or 10 things you can make to sell online to increase your average order value, or to create an additional source of income, or to make your actual full-time job. Because say you're like a stay-at-home mom and you need something else to do, that's a good way to make money. And the other thing I need to mention, not just listing this product, I also want to let you know like places you can like put this product online to make a sale. So you can either sell them on sites like Etsy. Etsy is a handmade marketplace where you can put things on, and what Etsy does is try to drive traffic to your shop. And there's so many ways to, like, Etsy is like a topic on its own, like the SEO, how you can be found and all of those things. The other place you can put things on is Amazon, which is a bit obvious what Amazon is, or eBay, or there's a marketplace I also use, especially for like African print items, and it's called Afrique. I would leave that in the description box down below. So that's something you can also, that's a site you can also put your things on, and people cash out on those sites, making items on there to sell. So you can do well to check that out as well. Or you can also make your own website. But the thing with making your website, which is not a disadvantage, is just going to help you do better, is you'd have to drive traffic to your site by yourself. And there's so many ways to drive traffic to your site. You can either do it organically, where you are posting on social media platforms, and the list of social media platforms is endless. Or you can drive traffic to your website using paid advertising. I can either use Google ads, TikTok ads, Instagram and Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, there's so many ways you can use to drive traffic to your website or organically using blogs, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube. So many ways to drive traffic to your website if you decide to go through the website route. So make sure you try and implement these things if this is something you're interested in, or if you're just watching just to get information, that's okay as well. Anyway, so that's everything from me, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed the content of this video. If you have, you know what to do. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification. So when I post any upcoming videos in future, you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.